Hi, I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
Here we have a 67 plate Sharan SEL, which is a 2 litre TDI DSG with an engine output of 184 PS. The 7-seater model comes finished in a deep black pill paint, covering 75,099 miles. Some great optional extras include a rear parking camera and electric folding exterior mirrors. We have 17-inch alloys finished in silver. Another great feature includes the panoramic sunroof. You'll also benefit from an electric tailgate which you can access via the key fob, perfect for an arrival to the car in a rush with your hands full of shopping. Taking a look at the boot size, we still have enough room to store weekly shopping when the 2 additional seats are up. However, you can see how much the capacity has increased when the rear seats are folded. We also have the electric sliding doors as another optional extra. And taking a look inside, we have this spacious interior finished off in Vienna leather. Another great additional feature does include the 2 integrated rear child seats, which is nice and simple to adjust. Then of course we do have the 2 additional seats in the boot, so it's ideal if you're carrying a lot of family members. Rear passengers also have access to pull out plastic trays. Moving into the front, we are firstly greeted with the multifunctional steering wheel. This is followed by front heated seats. We also have a centre armrest for added comfort and plenty of manual adjustments. The steering wheel allows you to access the car's media system at the touch of your fingertips. And then directly ahead we have an instrument cluster. This showcases important driver information and settings. In the centre we have a multimedia screen where we can access the car's functionalities. Some of these features include DAB digital radio. We also have Bluetooth connectivity to make hands-free calls. We can also listen to your own music. There's also an aux input available. We have app connection to seamlessly display phone apps through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Or we have the car's satellite navigation, which will assist you when planning your routes. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your rear camera will appear on the screen. You do have the additional support from front and rear sensors that will provide you with an audible indication when getting close to objects. Just underneath we can locate the climate control, which allows yourself and front passenger to be in charge of your own individual temperature settings. Then we have the 3-point front heated seating options either side. And then moving down we have some additional storage space, an automatic transmission followed by an electronic park brake with auto hold.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.